Actor Raveena Tandon has responded to actor Kangana Ranaut's allegations that 99% of people in the film industry engage in the use of drugs after lawyer Mahesh Jethmalani raised questions about Bollywood's deafening silence on the issue. She said that an entire industry could not be generalized and that it has the good and the bad. Globally, 99% of judges, politicians, babus, officials, cops are corrupt. This statement cannot be a generic description for all. People are intelligent. They can differentiate between good and bad. Few bad apples cannot spoil a basket. Likewise, our industry also has the good and the bad, she wrote. Raveena was replying to Mahesh's tweet in which he wondered whether Bollywood's silence on the allegations implies complicity. A Bollywood actress makes a serious charge claiming personal knowledge on a TV channel with a large viewership that 99% of Bollywood consumes narcotic drugs. Not one person from that industry contradicts her. What inference is the public to draw from this deafening silence, he questions. Filmmaker Ram Gopal Verma also responded to Mahesh's tweet and said that he was baffled by the film industry's silence on Kangana's allegations. Though I belong to the same fraternity, I am as baffled as you. And their silence also extends to them being called rapists, killers, mafia, etc., etc., he wrote on Twitter. Earlier, filmmaker Hansal Mehta defended the film industry against allegations of drug use in a series of tweets. Just like Bollywood is a generic term that I disown, I think any generalization about the film industry being mostly about drugs, sex and scandals is unfair. Also, the industry being unfair and mean is also a most unfair generalization. This is an industry of artists, not debauchers, he wrote. Like any industry, there are rotten apples, there are mean people, there are bad experiences, but these pale in comparison to the kind of friendships, acceptance and love I have found through all the years. I am an outsider, but I've never let myself feel left out, he added.